Hello. Let me introduce WorkSmart AI. It maximizes Teams deep work at scale by reducing meeting and context switching overload and fostering deliberate cross-team collaboration with real-time data and AI-driven refinements. Digital collaboration depth is a real challenge we all face. A huge study conducted by Microsoft reveals that it's as real as technical depth. We spend nearly 60% of our time at work collaborating through meetings, emails, and chats, leaving only 40% of our time to get things done. Not many companies can effectively address collaboration depth because making changes at scale is difficult without real-time data and a proven data-informed change process. Leading tech giants like Uber and Stripe manage this by measuring previously intangible areas of team time allocation, such as context switching, deep work, meetings, and relationship building within and across teams. Companies like Adaptavis Group, CD Projekt Red, and Allegro are part of this movement with our support. In just the first 3 months of using our tool, they managed to reduce unproductive meeting and context switching time by 2 hours per week per employee, leading to increased profitability and further improvements. What does such a change mean for a company employing 500 people? It translates to quarterly savings of 12,000 hours, equating to $1 million. The game is worth the effort, isn't it? Now, let's dive into how the process of maximizing deep work at scale works in practice. You gain access to the WorkSmart AI featuring real-time collaboration data, intelligence, and refinements. WorkSmart AI processes real-time data from calendars, chats, and emails at scale for 20,000 tech professionals with no effort required on their part. Importantly, all data processing is done with 100% protection of individual privacy. Metadata is hashed at an individual level and analyzed only at the team, business unit, project, or hierarchy level with no content download. The tool locates Teams meeting and context switching overload and navigates interactions that bypass task management systems and code repositories. Each team gets metrics describing their work week and collaboration, which are organized into easily understandable insights. The intelligence is built on 100 million working hours and 2 billion interactions in scale-ups and enterprise-level companies employing 200 to 7,000 people. It provides teams with benchmarks to contextualize meetings, deep work, and context switching investments, both internally and externally. Our team is extremely customer-focused. We support you at every stage in using the data, helping you identify the most effective habits and adapt them across teams. WorkSmart AI doesn't just provide data and benchmarks, it also distributes refinements at scale. Over 500 actions and micro-automations tailored for existing collaboration tools like Google, Calendar, Inbox, or Slack. These are customized for each team, job cohort, or project, drawing on best practices from top tech companies. They help establish team-level and company-wide habits that reduce team meetings and context switching time, ensuring sufficient deep work while maintaining teamwork and interpersonal relations. This is made possible by insights that support the deliberate collaboration with other teams, identifying potential communication bottlenecks or overload. Insights for heads and C-level executives include department or company-wide collaboration reports, offering an overview of the workweek and collaboration on very specific event types. This data helps identify and address collaboration challenges across teams and act from the top down. The network view for every project, team, business unit, or job cohort helps prioritize key collaboration paths, avoid siloing, shift from reactive to proactive collaboration, and focus on long-term projects instead of short-term fixes. To sum up, you get real-time data from calendars, chats, and emails with full privacy protection. It's enriched by comparing your team's experience with internal and external benchmarks. AI-driven customized refinements are then implemented to your tech stack, processes, and contracts, incorporating best practices from leading tech companies. The goal? Save 2 deep work hours per employee weekly, worth millions in the long term, by eliminating distractions and fostering deliberate collaboration. If this approach resonates with you, let's meet to discuss the details. Thank you.